Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on IT.tutorials. I'm Josef Botnar. In this Java video tutorial I'm going to talk about comments. Comments are a very important part of programming language. Doesn't matter if we are talking about Java or another programming language. We can use, or the main goal of using comments is to make code or parts of code more readable, or to explain parts of code or an entire code. To do so, we are going to use the following types of comments. Line comments, which will comment a single line. Block comments, used to write multiple line comments. And Javadoc comments, which mainly are used to explain bigger parts of code or even an entire code. So let's do a bit practice and let's see how we can use the comments in a Java application. To comment a single line, you can use a line comment. In this way, you just type 2/ and let's write something like this is a comment. Yeah. So now I'm going to release this to execute this application, and as you can see, there is no change, is the same, yeah, because the compiler doesn't execute the comment. When the compiler will meet the comment, we'll go over to the next line to be executed. Yeah. So this is the one way to use a comment in your application, in your Java application. Also, you can use the line comment to take out a code line from your application. For example, you want to test your application, how this works without that code line. You can use the line comment to do so. So type 2/ and that will take out from our code this line, namely the code line 4. Yeah. Now, if I execute again this application, you can see now this string IT.tutorial doesn't appear here. It wasn't displayed here in console, yeah, because now this code line, namely number 4, was removed actually from execution. Yeah, so the compiler didn't execute this line because it met these symbols for comments, and the compiler realized this line is a comment. Yeah, and that's why the compiler didn't execute this line. So this is another way to use the comment, namely the line comment. Now if I remove these two slash, all right, now the compiler will execute this line, namely this code line number 4. As you can see now, this string is displayed here in console IT.tutorial because I removed those two slash for comments. Okay, also you can use block comments. Yeah, if you want to comment a bigger part of your program, like a method or a class, a function, and so on. So you type this slash and star, enter, and as you can see, IntelliJ IDE at the end of these block comments, add another star and this slash. Yeah, and here inside these two, you can write your comments like this is another comment. Let's copy and paste this. This is another comment, and so on. Yeah. So you can write a multiple line of comments, as you can see, using these block comments in this way. Also, you can use the block comments to take out some part of code. Yeah. For example, here, yeah, if I want this string, this text, to be removed just for a while, so, or just temporarily, I'm going to use the block comments slash star and here star and another slash. And here I can write another text like this is a comment. Yeah, let's run this application again, and now the output was changed. This text was removed, yeah, because I used these symbols for group comments, yeah, for block comments, as you can see, and I add this text, which now is displayed instead of this, because this one was removed by using the block comments, as you can see. Okay. Also, you can use the block comments to take out multiple line of codes. For example, I want to take out these two code lines. I'm going to type slash star, and here another star and slash. But because the Java doesn't allow nested block comments, I have to remove this from here, because as you can see I have error, yeah, and now it's okay, yeah. All right, okay. Now let's run this, and as you can see I've got this output, only this text hello, because these two code lines was removed by using this block comments, as you can see. Now if I remove this, okay, and now let's remove this from here. Okay, execute again this application. Now the output was changed because I removed the block comments from these two lines. Also you can use the Javadoc comments in this way, slash 2 stars, enter, and automatically this IntelliJ IDE will add these stars and the end of this kind of comments, namely Javadoc comments. And now here you can start to write something. This is a comment. Okay, enter, and as you can see, for each line what you are going to use as a line comment, IntelliJ IDE will add a star, and you can write your specific comment, yeah. Okay, or you can remove the stars also. Let's execute again this application. Yeah, it was executed successfully, as you can see, by using these Javadoc comments. So that was all about the comments in Java. So thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.